Good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, November 6th, here at KIT Iizuka campus. This is third period, and I am having trouble connecting my iPad to my... Okay, so we'll have to try to get this over there. Okay, sorry, I was having a little bit of trouble connecting my iPad to my main computer. Okay, so today is Wednesday, November 6th, and it's interesting coincidence that this is also class number six. In class number six, this will put us just 2 days away, two classes away from your test, your conversation test on the 20th of November. So for that conversation test this week, I want to make sure that you have your partner name and student number already logged in to the system. Oh, that's right. Sorry. I have to show you this on Firefox. Let's see here. Sorry, excuse me. I have to show you this on a different piece of software. Because it's coming. Oh, God dang it. Alrighty. Sorry about this, everyone. I'm having trouble with the iPad and the computer, and sometimes I have to use Firefox to show you these things. So your speaking test will be on 11/20, and that means that okay, until this gets here, your sorry, that's not even your class. That's 7C. I think I'm a little bit distracted today by what's happening in politics. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, there we are. まだサインしない方. Is that everybody? Okay, good. Sorry about that. Okay, in any case, until this gets completely refreshed, I want you to think about your partner name and student number, and that we were going to do first before we do anything else. But after we do that, okay, it's still not refreshed. We're going to warm up with Quizlet, and then I want you to do your first counter session. Then I want you to get completely into practicing your fluency and your free speaking, because here we go. Your test is going to be on the 20th. So for that test on the 20th, we're going to do what we did, very similar to the first semester. I'll put you into pairs, then I'll put you into groups, and then we'll have a conversation test for the midterm and for the final. But we won't have any more Moodle tests, okay? So this is the first thing we're going to do. Class number 6, partner name and student number submission. We're going to do that first. Then we'll go to Quizlet. Then we'll do the speaking exercises. If you have any questions, you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, let's have a good class today.